So now let's see how we can add, animate, and edit titles in guided edit mode inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So over here you can see that I have Adobe Premiere Elements opened up, and in order to add, animate, and edit titles in guided edit mode, I need to go around under the guided section right here first. And once I do that, here you can see that add, animate, and edit titles to liven up your movie is an option. So if I were to go around and click right here, my guided edit mode has opened up right here for that particular effect. So let me just go around and click on next right here. And it says to get started, open up the titles and text from the right hand side panel. That means I need to go around and click on this T. And here you can see that there's many different titles that you can choose from. So it says there are several templates available in predefined text, and it is asking you to select the template of your choice and drag and drop it to the timeline. Let me just go around and bring in the simple one and bring it to the timeline right here. And this is what I have. So now let me just press next, and it says to add in a custom text, selects the default text. You can see that it is already selected. So let's just go around and select it and then type in my own a text right here. So let's just double click and change the text, which I already did. Let me click next right here, and now it is asking me to select out an effect. Let me just go around and choose an effect that I want right here. You can choose any effect right here, as you can see. And then if I were to click on next, now it has taken me to the adjustment section right here, where I can go around and change around the adjustments as I like right here. So let me just go around and keep it on the center. Then let me just click on next right here, and now it is saying apply the animation to your text. There are several different animations that you can choose. So if I were to go around and play, let's say for example, select this one right here, you can see the example when you click the play button. And if you want to apply it, then you simply need to click on the apply button over here. So once you do that and press the play button, then what happens is that you will be able to see that effect right here. So if I were to go around and double click on the title right here, then this is what you have. You got the animation in the title. Click on next right here, and it says you have completed adding titles to your videos. And this is how you can utilize the guided edit mode in order to add, in order to animate and edit titles in guided edit mode inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.